Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a tasty mojito at home. First, you'll need about 10 fresh mint leaves, half a lime cut into wedges, and 2 teaspoons of granulated sugar. Place these ingredients into a sturdy glass. This combination forms the aromatic base of your delicious drink. Now, gently muddle the mint, lime, and sugar together. Don't crush the mint, just press enough to release its fragrant oils. Next, pour in 2 ounces of good quality white rum. Fill your glass to the top with crushed ice. This helps keep your mojito perfectly chilled and dilutes it just right. Finish your mojito by topping it off with about 4 ounces of chilled club soda. Give it a gentle stir, just enough to mix the ingredients without losing the fizz. For a beautiful presentation, garnish your glass with a fresh sprig of mint and a thin lime wheel. Your refreshing drink is almost ready to enjoy. Your homemade mojito is now complete and ready to be savored. Remember, the key to a great mojito is fresh ingredients and a gentle touch. Feel free to adjust the sweetness or tartness to your liking. For more great tips and deals, including a link to the Owala water bottle, check out the description below. Enjoy your refreshing creation responsibly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.